very good morning to everyone and welcome. Today we are under the theme Building Legacy, the pastor of Zeliangrong.
Under the theme For Glory Unite, Building Legacy, Shaping Future. It is a great honor to be hosting today's program.
The dance signifies the unity and oneness among Zeliangrongpui, that is, Zeliangrongpui, and Impui.
Chief Host, Shri Dinganglung Gangmei, Hon'ble MLA of Tousem Assembly Constituency.
Distribute and use this for the student community and for the Zeliangrong people in general. Let me read out the souvenir. A Jubilee souvenir of ZSUM and AZSU, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland. Team Building Legacy, Shaping Future, 24 to 27 November 2025, Tousem Headquarters, Tamenglong District, Manipur. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
That our young people, in spite of acquiring very high education, we become more selfish. Most of us doesn't even have the knowledge from which place to which place belongs to us. And some of us even doesn't teach our children our own dialect, saying that knowing our dialect would go nowhere. When you cannot speak the dialect that you claim to belong, then who will say that you belong to such and such community? My friend Dipu was saying the necessity of having a common dialect. It is absolutely necessary. But till such time, whatever dialects our forefathers and our parents speak, we should let our young people have a full knowledge about all the dialects, as well as we should learn our dialect very well. I'm surprised that many Zeliangrong leaders who sits in a very high-ranking office, their children does not know how to speak the mother tongue.